Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Research and Analysis. You might be surprised to know that the slide I have just played, these slides I have made by using the free tool of ChatGPT. And it took only few minutes from searching the relevant material to making the slides in the current status. In this video, I'm going to explain the process by which you can utilize free tools of ChatGPT and Office 365 to create a stunning presentation. Obviously, first I will open this website of ChatGPT, which you can access by using chat.openai.com. By the way, I have free version of ChatGPT 3.5. Let me write the code, or you can say the prompt. Write me VBA PowerPoint codes on. Here I will need to write the topic. Motivation for undergraduate students. Make it the slides I need. For instance, I'm numbering it as make it 6 slides. So VBA PowerPoint codes is simply the Microsoft codes which you can use to create PowerPoint slides. Just press arrow and ChatGPT is writing the codes for us. What we will do, we will just copy the complete codes till the end. And now we will open Office 365. This is PowerPoint blank document. And in order to use my codes, I need to open a developer tab. But here you can see there is no option of developer. So it means that first I will need to enable the developer tab. For this purpose, just go through File. In the file, just click this Options. And in the options, just click Customize a ribbon. And here you need to scroll down and just select this developer and click OK. See, developer tab is shown here. Now I can open this developer tab. I click developer tab, and from here just click this Visual Basic, and in the Visual Basic just click Module, and here is a place where you need to write the codes. Copy the codes from the ChatGPT, paste that code, and then just click Run. See, the PowerPoint slides have been created. Now use this inbuilt designer option in Microsoft Office 365. Here you can see so many designs which you can use for your slides. For instance, I'm using this particular design for my first slide, this design for my second slide. So this is how you can select a unique design for each of your slide by using this inbuilt function. And this is how you can create PowerPoint slides by using a free ChatGPT tool and inbuilt function of PowerPoint 365. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.